Okay, go.
Okay, be cute.
We're gonna eat one.
Yep. This is gonna be so gross.
Oh gosh, they're like black.
Ew!
Okay.
They're gross. Oh, Bobby put them on your shit.
1, 2, 3.
It's so terrible.
I can't even bite it.
Ew! Dude, they're like gum, you can chew them.
What? I can't even bite them.
That smells disgusting.
Oh god.
When you bite into it, it's worse.
Oh god. Oh god, that's gross. Look at your shit in the sink. Okay, well.
That was the most disgusting thing.
Okay.
Don't eat beef
Yeah,
cubes.
don't eat beef cubes.